Okay, hello guys, it's time to play Piggy. Now we're playing Plant Bot. Don't worry, we already mastered this thing, I guess so. So, we're just gonna go and look for stuff here. Yeah, open that. I'll get the battery. No, you get it. You get it. No, no. Oh, rejected. He rejected. Oh, the bot is coming. Hide, my friends. Oh dear, someone got killed. Let's make sure that we don't get killed. Or else, that will be just boring. So I got the purple potion. Let's go and put it here. Come on, let's go now. Let's make sure we don't get captured by the bot or Mr.p. Or else that will be just very... No, let's just talk about it. Let's just play this game. Okay, don't get caught by Mr.p. So, now, okay, he has the plank. Okay, go get the hammer while I go find Piggy. Oh no, there's Mr.p there. Run, run! There's a pig. There's a Piggy. Oh wait, where's the Piggy going? So it's me, huh? Now we got the green. OMG. Come on, let's go and run away from Piggy. So we got the green potion. Come on, let's go. And we should not waste time. Come on, go get it. Quick, don't waste time. OMG, stop it. Sounds like TNT Minecraft. Wow. OMG, someone got stunned. Well guys, make sure don't get stunned by Mr.p or else, and also don't get stunned by the ghost. OMG, Pig is coming here. Don't worry, it's only a pesky bot, so we don't need to worry about things. OMG, why is the bot jumping? Guys, come on, hurry up. We need to find the photo. OMG, that was so close. Come on, put the toy hammer here. Come on, let's go to third person now. As you see, I look like a bacon guy, so yeah, don't need to worry, I'm only bacon guy. Now let's be careful and what the hell? Come on, Piggy, chase me, chase me. Come on, chase me. Chase me. Come on, chase me now, chase me. Yes, hurry up and show that photo to Mr. P. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Hooray! We did it!